Thank you for your purchase of Funride Jupiter Plus scooter. This product comes in attractive colors, sturdy body, emergency brake. This product is easy to assemble by using these parts. You will need a screwdriver and a piler, main body, seat, batteries, back stand. To start with, take the main body and pull the lock, then push the handle upwards. It will automatically lock to its correct position. Now you can adjust the height as per your requirement and lock it. In the next step, put 2 batteries to activate the music and lights. Now you can put the seat to the handle and lock it properly by using this clamp lock. In the last step, put clamp iron rod to the platform and fit it to the seat. Your beautiful Funride Jupiter Plus scooter is now ready to use. Funride, a ride of happiness.